This is Star Service. You've probably seen us around town. Like there, and even there. Those are our technicians on the way to jobs and doing their job. But they're not like your average technicians. They don't just show up when there are problems. They show up to prevent problems from ever even happening. At Star, we don't operate from the break and fix playbook. You know, that costly cycle of calling contractors every time your system fails. Instead, we operate with a preventative maintenance approach because nobody does what we do. As the heart of our company, our technicians repair, maintain, design, and install HVAC systems and building automation and control systems, which is a fancy way of saying we keep your buildings comfortable, all while saving you money. And it's what we've been doing for nearly 70 years. Nobody does what we do. We service an array of industries, from office buildings and manufacturing facilities to hospitals and schools to churches and city buildings. At Star, we can handle it all. Nobody does what we do. Whether it's a matter of making your current control system operate more effectively or installing new, user-friendly controls, our build automation and control services got you covered. Nobody does what we do. Need innovative, cost-effective HVAC system solutions? With years of industry experience behind them, troubleshooting and design solutions that minimize disruption, downtime, and expense is a breeze for our team of project managers and technicians. It's what they do, and nobody does what we do. Are you starting to get it? From improving energy efficiency through our energy management services to testing and commissioning HVAC and automation and control systems, our Star team provides nothing short of high-quality service. We care about the health of your building and treat your equipment like it's our own, which means you can expect outstanding service at the best possible value every time. Nobody does what we do. That's the Star experience.